All right. Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. Um, so, Today is Thursday. So, Mondays to Friday is a good day to trade the forex market. There's always an opportunity. So, all you have to do is fund your account, analyze the market, and look for entry opportunities. And if you don't know how to do that, I would suggest you come join my premium group. So in my premium group, I give signals, market analysis, and market reports, right? And to join, you just have to deposit on this live stream, right? Deposit into your trading account, right? So you are not depositing into my own account. You are funding your own trading account. And to do that, you see that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Just click on the banner. It will take you to the deposit page. When you get to the deposit page, if you deposit $10 will get you into my premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit $15 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a one-on-one live training session with me. Okay. So guys, let's dive into the forex market. Let's see what's going on today. We are almost at the end of the week, and also before I forget, tomorrow is NFP. You know, as usual. So guys, go get your accounts ready. Okay, if you don't have enough balance in your trading account, I would suggest you start funding today. Okay, because by tomorrow we're going to be trading the NFP news together live. All right, so I'll be analyzing the market, and then I'll give out the NFP news when I get the good opportunity. All right. So for today, let's see what we can make from the market. I'm currently on XAU USD. Okay, I'm currently on XAU USD and right. So XAU USD, let's see what's going on there. We are currently on the 1 hour time frame. And on the 1 hour time frame, we had this break of structure to the upside where it took liquidity, uh, you know, a trap zone for the sellers. And after the liquidity, we had a break of structure to the downside, giving us a change of character here. So now that the market has changed character, what else are we looking for? We want to get a good sell entry, okay? Because after the change of character, we are expecting the market to buy back to the level where it had left, okay, where it left a break of structure. So now the market came back into that level, and we are expecting the market to keep selling to the downside, right? And that is exactly what happened here. You see, the market came back here, uh, touched the order block, and then started trading to the downside, right? Okay, so let's go down to the lower time frame, and on the lower time frame we have this move. Okay, so on the 15 minutes time frame, we have a change of character below, but we are not going to indicate that with a change of character. So that is going to be our liquidity purge. Okay. And the reason why it's a liquidity purge is because, as you can see, the market was trading to the upside. So from here to this point, we have a bullish trend. But when the market got to this point, what happened? Instead of the market to keep creating bullish candles, the market decided, to come down to this level, look for other block before trading, before continuing its trend. So this is our liquidity purge. All right, and after the liquidity purge, you see we have a new break of structure because this is a new low, right? So what we're expecting after this is for the market to continue creating lower lows, right? Lows that will keep breaking this low, but instead the market make another decision to continue trading to the upside, breaking the recent high, right? So from here, after this break of structure, we had a change of character. Okay, so since the market is on uptrend and we have the liquidity purge below and the change of character above, what we're expecting from this market is a trend continuation. Okay, we want the market to continue to buy, right? We want the market to continue to buy. So now the market is currently inside this other block. Okay, it's currently inside this other block. And is inside the 50% of the other block, right? Inside the 50% of the other block. So let's see what happens in less than 8 minutes time. That is when this candle closes. Okay. So when I get a rejection here, I'm going to place a sell trade. Okay. I'm going to open a sell trade here, sell position. Sorry, a buy position rather, because this is another block. We're expecting the market to go up. Okay. So I'm looking out for a buy position from here. I just need the market to give me a rejection. Okay, a rejection indicating a buy. Right. I just want to see a rejection that indicates that the market is going to buy. Right. Okay, so we have analysis on XAUUSD. We have analysis on XAUUSD. Let's continue to make more. Right. So after XAUUSD, which other instrument do we have below? Okay, we have BTC. Yeah, let's make analysis on BTC. It's been a while we analyzed BTC. So let's see what BTC USDT has. Let's see what's going on with BTC USDT. Right? So we are currently on BTC USDT 2-hour time frame. And on the 2-hour time frame, let's see if we have any recent break of structure. Okay. So on the 2-hour time frame, from here we had a break of structure to the downside. Okay, and this is a strong sell trend continuation indication. Okay, this simply means that the market is going to continue to sell. So let's go down to the 1-hour time frame, and on the 1-hour time frame, the market is currently making moves. Okay, so we had this retest. We had this retest earlier where the market went back to retest the level it had freshly broken. Okay, so we had this retest, and this retest was caused by the last candle here. Okay, the last candle. Yes. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hour time frame. I want to see if, aside this retest, if we are going to get another one. So on the 4 hour time frame, we can clearly see that the market is heading to the downside. Okay, but we still need a good entry for this because we can open a position based on what we saw on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so if we are to open a position here, a sell position, you see our stop loss is going to be around here, and trust me, you don't want to do this. Right, the stop loss here is too wide. Right, the stop loss here is too wide. So we want something, very small. So right now we want to see if the market is going to come back to, let's say, this level where we can minimize our stop loss. I think we should go down to a more lower time frame. Let's see if we can get good entry. Okay. So the market rejected this level. See how the market rejected this level. Rejected this level, then came to this point. So this level has also been mitigated. Okay, this level has also been mitigated. You see how this market came back to this other block. Yeah. Now we are left with this. So we have another other block here. Yeah. We have one. Then we have another one here, which is our fair value gap. Now let's see if this market would come to this fair value gap or the other block. Okay. So the starting of the other block is the 50% of our fair value gap, which is very good. So now this is going to be our stop loss, and our take profit would just be here, right? Okay, let's go back. All right, you see. So this is our entry point, this is our stop loss, and this would be our take profit level. Okay. All right, so we have analysis on BTC USDT. We just need the market, to get to our other block, and then once we get a good confirmation, we open a sell position on BTC USDT. Right. So we have two analyses set already. We have analysis on XAUUSD, and then we have another analysis on BtcUSDT. Okay. So for XAUUSD, I think we have. All right. So the candle closed. Yes, the candle closed, and let's see. I think we have a good entry here. Okay. I'm just gonna send this to the general group. Okay, so this is gonna be an intraday trade. All right. All right. So let me quickly send this. Okay. All right. So let's continue with our analysis. Um, we have another one on BtcUSDT. So we'll just keep an eye on that also. Once the market gets to this point and gives us a rejection, then we open a sell position. All right. Okay, so let's go to Ethereum USDT. Right. Ethereum against the United States Theta. All right, so for this we have quite a move here, and remember, Ethereum is like the junior brother of BTC. So whenever BTC is moving to the downside, um, Ethereum also tends to want to move to the same direction, right? So let's see. You see, what is here right now is similar to what we have on BTC USDT. All right. So we have a change of character here. Yeah, we have a change. Sorry, a break of structure rather. We have a break of structure, and then we have. Right. All right. All right, so as you can see, it's very similar to what we have earlier on BTC USDT. Yeah. So, and here we have, well, we can't call this a proper change of character, okay, but we still can't do without, labeling it out. So this is a break of structure here, and si- since we already marked out this area as um, our fair value gap where this market reversed from, okay. So we have a change of character here, a break of structure rather. We have a break of structure here, and then let's see why this market is currently making bullish moves. Okay. So these areas I'm indicating are levels where I think the market can, reverse from. Okay. So these are levels where the market can possibly reverse from, right? So this is the lower time frame, order block, and fair value gap. So let's see what happens when the market gets into this level. Let's see if it's going to give us um, a candle formation for downtrend. All right, and we're currently on the 15 minutes time frame. We have less than 7 minutes to the end of this current candle. Okay, we have less than 7 minutes to the end of this current candle. Okay, so since we have a few more minutes uh, before this candle closes, I think we should, make analysis on BNB USDT instead of just sitting around waiting for the candle to end to know if we are going to sell the instrument. All right. So we are currently on BNB USDT. And by the end of this time, we are going to check. We're going to go back to Ethereum USDT to see if Ethereum is going to go as predicted. All right. All right. So we are currently on BNB USDT. Okay. So the Binance coin against the United States data. All right. So on BNB USDT, let's go to the higher time frame. Let's start with the 2 hour time frame. So on the 2 hour time frame, you can see we have multiple break of structures. Okay, we have areas where the market has, gone above the previous lows. Okay, so here we have a break of structure. We also have a break of structure here because the current candle went below the previous low. Okay, so you see we have multiple break of structures to the downside. We have multiple breakout structures to the downside. So let's see if the market is going to come to this level, because this is our first fair value gap. Okay, that's our first fair value gap there. Um, okay, so for this, I want to use my Fibonacci tool. I want to see what my Fibonacci is saying about this instrument. And as you can see, it aligns well with my entry point. Okay, it aligned well with my entry point. But what I'm going to do here is, instead of this red, my entry point is going to be from the 50% of the fair value gap. Uh, this area where all right. All right, so this is our point of interest. Okay, and the reason why we have our point of interest here is because we have this wide fair value gap. Okay, this huge fair value gap. So I want the market to come up to this level. Okay, get into this 50% of our fair value gap, and then sell to the downside. Okay, and this is my take profit level. All right. So BNB USDT 2 hour time frame. This is the analysis. All right. But let's go down to the lower time frame. Let's see if, uh, since the analysis is saying that the market is going to buy to this level, let's see if we can enter for a buy trade. All right. So the plan here is to wait for the market to get to this point before we start selling. All right. Before we start to sell. But as you can see, we have our trend line, and we have, I think, about 3 points here where the market has rejected the trend line previously. All right. So now this is a valid trend line. Okay. And the market is currently at the trend line zone. Okay. The market is currently at the trend line zone. So I want the market to touch the trend line. Let's see if the market is going to go above the trend line. Okay. If the market closes above the trend line, then I'll open a buy position to this area where I think the market is going to come to, uh, before the market starts to sell. All right. But if the candle touches the trend line and then makes a rejection, then I'll be looking to sell this pair to at least this level. Right. I'll be looking for a sell opportunity. But I doubt that the market is going to come down to this level. We have a fair value gap. We have multiple fair value gaps here. So I think the market is going to buy to this level before it continues its sell trend. Okay. And it's going to use all of these areas as inducement areas. Okay. It's going to use these areas as inducement levels. All right, so now we have analysis on BNB USDT. Let's go back to Ethereum to see how far, to see if the market has gotten to our point of interest. All right, so it's currently at the edge of the other block. Okay, so let's see if this current candle is going to touch or get into the other block and then give us a rejection. And then we also have BTC USDT, and BTC USDT hasn't gotten to the point either. All right, so we have analysis on BTC USDT and Ethereum USDT, BNB USDT. Okay, so now let's go to the forex instruments. Okay, let's go to the forex instruments. Let's see if we're going to get a good entry from the forex instruments. Okay, so for AUDCAD 2 hour time frame, we have these rejection zones. Okay, we have these rejection zones. Okay, Okay, guys. Um, so here we have a change. We have a liquidity purge, right? We have a liquidity purge there. Now let's go to the 15 minutes time frame so we can, get a better view of what is currently happening in the market, right? And then we have a change of character here. All right, so this is what is currently going on AUD JPY. So let's see if okay. So this could have been our entry point, and the market has gone way past our entry point. Okay. All right. So so you see, on Tuesday I made this analysis where I said the market was going to come back to this fair value gap. You see, I even had my uh, Fibonacci 2 indicating a zone where the market was going to sell from, right? And you see, that is exactly what is happening right now. All right. So you see, when the market made this move back into the fair value gap that I've indicated here earlier, you see what happened. You see, immediately the market got there, the market started selling to the downside, right? Okay, so too bad we didn't have a pending order here. You see, our order would have triggered and we'll be in profit by now. Okay, so let's go back to our previous analysis. We had analysis on BTC USDT. Okay, then we had analysis on Ethereum USDT. So the Ethereum USDT is currently making a move to the 50% of this other block. Let's see what happens when the market gets to that point. Okay, so we already have a tapped in, but it didn't get to the 50%. So let's see if this current candle is going to move up to the 50% level, and then let's see if it's going to give us a rejection. So the candle ended. And it didn't go as planned. So as you can see, the reason why I didn't use this level is because this has already been mitigated. Okay. So this level has already been mitigated, as you saw on the 15 minutes time frame. So the only available level right now is this current one on the same 15 minutes time frame. Okay, this level, and the market is currently on that level. Okay, so if the market goes above this level, then um, so that means the market has failed to respect all the levels until this point. Okay, so it is possible that the market would make a move back into this resistance zone, right? So whichever happens, it's still going to be a sell opportunity. Okay, and when that happens, we're looking out to open a sell position, right? All right, so our analysis on Ethereum USDT, hasn't started playing out. So the market is still ranging within the zone. Okay, you see, it got in, got out again. So guys, make sure to keep an eye out for this analysis. Okay, keep an eye out on Ethereum USDT. Once the market makes a bearish move to the downside, with a long body and a small a long wick and a small body, that is an indication for a sell signal. Okay, so make sure you enter the trade with an appropriate lot size. Don't over leverage. All right. And remember, this is the crypto instrument. All right, so they are very volatile. In fact, our advice, if you don't have a balance uh, above $30, I don't think you should uh, open a position on Ethereum USDT. Okay, because they are very volatile and their stop loss is always huge. Okay, most times very huge. So guys, please be mindful of the position you open. So guys, that will be all for today. Um, enjoy the rest of your day and bye for now.